Hello, sir. Today we're going to discuss a fascinating study on the growing dissatisfaction among airline customers, particularly focusing on the American and Southwest Airlines. This research was done by me, Arvinjoy M. Pangalo, and James G. Pulikit.
Yes, that's right. Despite US Airlines achieving record profits in 2015, there was notable 30% surge in passenger compliance. This highlights a significant disconnect between airlines' performance and customer satisfaction. The study analyzed 2,569 tweets posted between February 16 and 24, 2015, focusing on compliance about Southwest and American Airlines.
Yes, exactly. The sentiments analysis of these tweets revealed that a substantial 72% were negative, with issues primarily related to customer service, flight cancellation, and delays. This high degree of negative sentiments underscore pervasive and deeply felt issues within these airlines.
Okay? To get into specifics, the data cleaning process involves structuring the tweets to highlight the frequency and confidence levels of negative sentiments. This allowed us to perform a detailed examination of the underlying issues. For example, customer service problem and cancel flights were among the most frequent compliance, with confidence level often ranging from zero point 0.7 to 1.0.
That's right. This indicates customer conviction in their complaints. Additionally, while negative sentiments dominate, there is also a notable portion of positive and neutral sentiments, though these are less frequent and often exhibit lower confidence levels.
The analysis showed that Southwest Airlines had 1,168 tweets, while American Airlines had 1,401. The majority of these tweets were negative, com- comprising 70.2% of the total tweets, with 10.7% being positive and 19.1% neutral.
Uh, to visualize this, we provided graphs showing the sentiment frequency and confidence levels. For American Airlines, negative feedback was very confident, with most replies falling between zero point 0.9 up to 1.0. For Southwest Airlines, feedback also showed very high confidence level with a significant number of tweets in the zero point 0.9 to 1.0 range.
They also looked into the specific reasons behind these negative sentiments. For American Airlines, the most common complaints were related to customer service issues and canceled flights. For Southwest Airlines, canceled flights, lost luggage, and customer services issue were the top compliance.
The studies concluded that addressing these issues could help bridge the gap between airline performance and customer expectations. This in turn could foster a more positive travel experience. Continuous monitoring and addressing customer feedback and crucial for airlines to meet but exceed passenger expectations.
Absolutely. The financial success of airlines should not come at the expense of customer satisfaction. By leveraging social media data from real-time insights, airlines can identify problem areas and implement necessary improvements, ultimately reducing a compliance and building a loyal customer base.
That's a great point. It's all about prioritizing needs to create a positive travel experience and foster trust and loyalty.
Thank you for joining us in this discussion. We hope you found this analysis insightful and that it highlights the importance of addressing customer feedback in the airlines industry. Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.